Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to send cryptocurrency from Binance to another wallet on computer. Basically it's pretty easy, just follow the steps I do to not any mistakes. So all we need is open Binance in browser and go to Assets, Spot and select a coin, for example Near Protocol. Then click Withdraw and choose first method. You need to specify the address for the transfer. Go to the wallet you want to transfer to, for example Trust Wallet. Search a coin near, select and click Receive. We have a QR code and an address to receive. If you have the opportunity, you can scan the QR code and send the coins. If not, then copy the address and return to Binance. Paste the address. We select the network, in our case it is the Near Protocol. Next we specify the amount and look at the fee, click Withdraw, check everything and confirm. That's all, the coins has been sent and will be credited to the Binance wallet within 10 minutes. Also watch my other videos about Binance at the link in description and you will learn a lot. I hope guys this tutorial made your life a little bit easy and you like this video. Subscribe to my channel and write your comment. Goodbye, have a nice day.